And it is Severe Weather Preparedness Week. Counties using this opportunity to test their tornado sirens, but not everything went as planned. Alex, Indy ran into some problems.
Yeah, that's right. It wasn't just Indy either. Other counties also reported issues with some of their tornado sirens. It's all part of a statewide tornado drill, and emergency officials say that's exactly why they do these tests.
Across the state, outdoor tornado sirens sounding off, all part of the National Weather Service's statewide test of communication systems. But on Tuesday, silence in Marion County.
Almost right off the bat, as happens, we got notifications from various members around the community that they didn't hear the sirens. So for us, I immediately engaged our vendor and engaged the rest of our staff.
That vendor, Federal Signal, which manufactures the siren equipment for Marion County, also investigating the cause of the failure. In a release from the Marion County Division of Emergency Management, officials saying each test generates a report which is reviewed by staff and vendors to detect any potential malfunctions. After the failure, officials say they conducted another test which found it to be functioning normally.
So we have a number of different citizens, people, some of our ham radio operators in town that listen for our normal Friday tests at 11 o'clock on Fridays. And so that is one of the best ways that we get information.
But the test failure isn't unique to Marion County. Two other counties, Boone and Hancock, also experiencing issues, with Hancock County officials saying sirens were not activated by Commander apps when initiated.
It's a comfort knowing it's there, but not if it's not working.
Back in Marion County, neighbors like Ann Carroll rely on sirens to work properly. Her family lives just feet away from one.
It's woken us up in the middle of the night when we didn't know that things were happening.
Officials say this is just a perfect example of why they tell people to stay weather aware.
The outdoor warning sirens are for outdoor use only, but it's a technology like any other technology, and it's fallible. Things can happen. We always tell people to have multiple ways to get alerted to severe weather.
So again, how do you stay aware of the weather impact in emergency situations? Well, first, signing up for text alerts through your county is a great way to stay in the know. Actually, Marion County has one. A weather radio also comes in handy during power outages. Now, 13 News has reached out to the vendor Federal Signal to ask if they've had equipment issues in other states. We're waiting to hear back, and we'll let you know when we do.